down, smoking high, I am not round. I'm not round, no denying what I got now. I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down. Locked down.
Good day people. So today we are on the Triumph. This is just going to be a quick vid. I've done all the cables are at the front now, everything's virtually done. But in the last vid I said I didn't have the connectors for the bar ends, or the bar weights, bar ends, whatever you want to call them. I didn't have the connectors to what go inside your handlebars, where your bar ends bolt into and it expands and always in. I didn't have any. So I nipped down B&Q and I picked these up. These come with a screw. When you tighten it up, the middle expands outwards. They would have worked, but what I didn't think about is the bolt to go through my bar weight, and for it to expand out, it's not long enough down full. I know I should have picked up some, but I didn't think. So instead of going all the way back down to a B&Q or an hardware store to get some longer bolts, I thought I'd try something else. I have already got one on. See there? Solid. So I'll show you what I did. So yeah, these are the end what I brought from B&Q, where I need longer bolts. But the good thing is these are long enough, the bolts from that, to do the job I'm going to do. So all I've done is I got some thick pipe, some rubber pipe what will squidge, what will fit just in my bar ends. And I've got some thinner pipe what will go inside that, so it'll go in like that. So it'll look like that. Then slide that through there like that. You're going to need a couple of washers. You need a washer what's around about the same size as your big pipe. And you want to put a bolt on the end. You want to get it so it just starts gripping and start squeezing that pipe out. And you just slide it into your bar end. So all I've done is put some JD roll around the nut and the washer, just so it holds the nut on. You can use a bit of super glue, I guess, or no nails, or out like that really. So once you're doing that, poke it in. You get it right in. And just start tightening. There we go. There we go. Solid as a rock. That's that in. So yeah, pretty simple. I had the pipe laying around. So yeah, that sorted that problem out. So it means I can get out on my bike now. Just got to tighten up this. We're sorted. So there we go, that sorted that problem out. A bit of fuel line. So all I've used, washer, nut, bolt, sorted it. So don't forget to hit that like button. If you ain't already, please hit that subscribe. I'll see you next time. Stay safe.
Take a ride away. Dripping all night and I'm dreaming of the west side. Driving to some place I know, looking like a good day. And I'm feeling alright, alright.